guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about super vegetables. If this is your first time here, click and subscribe.
So what is a super vegetable or a super herb? These are vegetables or herbs that can grow back by themselves. Now, of course, vegetables and herbs grow on their own, but these are the vegetables and the herbs that you can put into the glass of water and they can grow back by themselves. So really, you only need to buy them once. In our last video, we were talking about the hydroponics and setting up. That's what I got behind me here today. It's been about a week since we started the hydroponics, and the sprout for the tomato is actually already starting to grow, as well as the basil. So we're counting down our top 6 vegetables and herbs to plant in either your garden, or if you guys do have a hydroponic system at home, these would be great for those. And remember, stick around for our honorable mention.
Number 6, garlic.
One of our favorite things to do with garlic is actually roast it. It's great for steaks or for any red meat.
Number 5, cilantro.
Cilantro is a great herb because it gives really great taste to really anything that you want to cook, whether it's eggs or soup or anything really.
Number 4, leek.
Leeks are great for soup. These definitely give it flavor, definitely give it texture, and I think you're going to like it.
Number 3, carrots.
The ends of your carrots are really great for a fun project for if you have kids. You put them in a glass of water and you just watch them grow.
Number 2, celery.
Celery is another great vegetable that you can keep regrowing. I know one of our big favorites in our household is antelope log. Now we have an unlimited amount of antelope logs for our kids.
Number 1, green onion.
A big fan favorite in our house is the green onion. We've done it before where we've put it in the glass on the counter and we watch it grow and we just keep on using it. Now that we've got our hydroponics set up, we've already planted the green onions in our hydroponics and it's ready to go.
Now for our honorable mention, potato.
Potatoes can be regrown simply by planting them in the ground. Their eyes and roots will sprout out and give you near an unlimited amount of other potatoes.
What are we going to do with all this stuff?
Maybe we can make it into soup.
If you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the button down below. We'll see you guys next time.